Sorry. Oh my God, it's about to rain. Look. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Spitting now. Spitting now, spitting now. Oh, black skies start to spitting now. Ooh. Yeah, thunder. It's very hot, very hot. That's why it's very hot today. Very hot today because storm's coming. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for giving us storm tonight. It's been so hot here today, especially in the kitchen working. Woohoo! Finally it rained. My God! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Woo! It's been so hot in the kitchen. Now it's raining. Woo! Wow! Sarap, sarap. Oh, my car get a wash too. My car get a good wash. Woo. ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณ Thank you Lord Thank you Lord Thank you Lord Thank you cooling us down been so hot in the kitchen working